In this video, I'll show you how to connect your domain name to a Cloudways website or application. Also install Let's Encrypt SSL certificate for that domain. So let's get started. I have this server on Cloudways and I have this website, WordPress website. As you can see, there is no domain name connected to it. If you want to see the website, you can click on here and go to the website. So the first step is to go down and copy the IP address of the website or the server. They are the same. Then go to where you host or manage your domain name. I have a domain name on Cloudflare. So I'll just open the domain name and then go to the DNS settings. Scroll down and add a new record. The record type will be A, and here I will just put the @ sign, and in the value field I will put the IP address I copied from Cloudways. Next, click on save. You can also add the CNAME record to point the www version of your website to your website and then click save. Doing this step is pretty much the same in all platforms. Like NameCheap, for example, you can do the same by going to the domain and then click on manage. Then go to advanced DNS. And then add an A record here. Next, go to Cloudways, click domain management, then click on add domain. Type in your domain name here. I can copy it from here and click add domain. Next, make this domain name primary. To install the SSL certificate, go down and click on the SSL certificate tab. Under email address, enter your email address, and under domain name, enter your domain name. And click install certificate. You see now the Let's Encrypt SSL certificate has been installed. Now you can access your website with your domain name. If you saw an error page, that means your domain name is not yet fully propagated with the DNS records. Just give it some time and try again.